Wet Korean seed on the New Year's Day. Seollal is the Korean Lunar New Year holiday, which is typically 3 days long, starting from the day before and ending the day after. Traditionally, families gather all together to hold 차례, the ritual of ancestor worship, and a custom called 세배, where children bow to the elders and receive some gift money. 차례 is a traditional ritual to serve food to ancestors, thanking for the legacy of the family and blessing for the coming year. However, since it's the day for the whole family to gather all together, even the spirits of the ancestors, we prepare a lot of food for this day, and I mean a lot. The food for Seollal differs by region, but here are some common foods you should know about what food Koreans eat on New Year's Day. 떡국, Korean rice cake soup. 떡국 is one of the signature menus for Seollal. It is said that eating long rice cakes symbolizes health and long life, and the white color of the 떡 symbolizes a fresh start for the new year. I remember hearing people say, eating 떡국 makes you a year older when I was growing up. And since I wanted to become an adult really fast, I try to eat more 떡국 as much as I can. 갈비찜, braised short ribs. If you love meat, 갈비찜 is one of the must-try food in Korea. Beef short ribs braised in a sweet and salty sauce with carrots, dates, and potatoes are another special dish we eat in Seollal. It's a popular meat dish served for special occasions traditionally. 전, Korean pancakes. A fritter in Korean cuisine made with various ingredients such as fish, meat, and vegetables. 전 is a typical side dish that is also popular for anju. It goes very well with makgeolli, the traditional rice wine in Korea. Because the sound of frying 전 resembles the sound of the rain, people tend to crave for 전 mostly on rainy days. 잡채, mixed dish of boiled bean threads, stir-fried vegetables, and shredded meat. 잡채 is a delicious noodle dish full of flavor mixed with assorted vegetables, meat, mushrooms, seasoned soy sauce, and sesame oil. It's usually served as a side dish, though it could be eaten as a main dish. Also, sometimes 잡채 is served on a bed of rice, aka 잡채밥. 식혜 and 수정과. The most commonly served traditional beverage would be 식혜 and 수정과. 식혜 is a sweet beverage made with malt barley, malt powder, and rice. 수정과 is a traditional fruit punch made from persimmons, cinnamon, and ginger. What is there not to like about the combination of persimmons, cinnamon, and ginger? Because the holiday meals could be quite heavy, 식혜 and 수정과 will help digestion. Even if the names sound unfamiliar to you, you may have tasted one of these beverages since many Korean BBQ restaurants serve 식혜 and 수정과 as a dessert. Most of these foods in the past were considered royal foods since most of the people weren't able to afford all the ingredients. People would save up until Seollal or Chuseok and share when the whole family gathered together. That is assumed to be the main reason how it became holiday food. However, today, how lucky we are to consume these delicious foods any time of the year. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. Happy New Year!